In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your BeautyPlus app. By updating BeautyPlus app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any issues that might be related to this app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, now for you to update this app, you need to go ahead and search for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. In my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Play Store here and then just search for the app using the search bar here, Beauty Plus, like that. And here we go. Our app is here. So if I go ahead and open it, you can see BeautyPlus Selfie Photo Editor app is here, and we have an update. This means I've been using an outdated version of this app. To get the latest version, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of this app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of BeautyPlus app. So that's how you can get the latest version of BeautyPlus app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.